Now we're going to learn about the star decorating technique. This is the small open star tip. You'll hold your bag 90 degrees from your surface with the tip slightly above it. Apply pressure and you'll see your star release and lift up. Start your next one right next to it. Pressure, release, up. Now when you're doing something like this, piping stars, you'll end up doing a lot of them. So you'll want to put only a small amount of the frosting into the bag, maybe about this much, just because then your hands will start warming it up and then your star edges might not be quite as defined. So keep replenishing your frosting, don't put quite as much in the bag, and then you'll have nice defined stars. And that's your star technique.